If you're also going to subscribe to YouTube's premium program or YouTube TV's premium program, that is a subscription. So in this video, I'll be showing you that is there any length or how much is the time limit for your free trial available on your YouTube TV. So we will simply search it on our browser here, and yes, on the official website we can see YouTube currently is offering a 3-week trial for new customers. So yes, you will get a 3-day trial, and the trial length can be up to like 14 days here. That is a 3-week trial, sorry. So yes, that is quite easy for you to find it out and just enjoy the free trials available on your YouTube TV application. You can simply reach out to the YouTube customer care for it also, and you can subscribe it using your YouTube TV application or browser on your PC. Thank you so much for watching the video.